Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the front bumper for this Audi Q5 from 2015. Okay, so what are you gonna have to do? Just press this rivet inside, yeah, because we're gonna start from the top. Yeah, press all these rivets down, and after you can use a screwdriver, minor screwdriver, or this removing tool, yeah, just like a fork. Boom, 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 boom. Or just like I told you already, you can use the screwdriver in minus. After that, we're gonna have to grab the plastic cover just like that and pull it out, yeah, just like that. Boom. Okay, after that we have here, inside here we have one screw here and one screw here with T20. Okay, so I'm gonna take T20 now with an extension, and I'm gonna use the electric drill because it's much faster, but you can use a ratchet. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Okay, now here. Okay, good. Now we're gonna have to go underneath. For this, you will gonna need a sponge, or you can use a carton or a piece of wood, you know, just to don't lay on the floor. Okay, so now we're gonna have one screw here, one here, one here. As you can see, my language it start improving, yeah, to start explaining much better. Okay, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Okay. Okay, good. We're gonna put the screws in a safe place, or you can put it in a box, yeah, so don't lose them. Now we're gonna have to start from the sides. It's up to you where you want to start, from left, from right, it doesn't matter. Now we're gonna have to start the engine, to turn the steering. Okay, I'm gonna start from the right side. Again, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3 screws. So let's take them out with T25. Okay. Okay, put them in the safe place. Now turn the steering. If you are dirty, just use the one finger in, like that. Don't make the customer car dirty, yeah. Okay, again here, as you can see, one screw is missing. Boom, one here and one here. Okay, let me have a look. Boom. Good. Now what we're gonna have to do, okay, now we're gonna go further down here to remove the other screws, because we have another screws here under the shield. Okay, so we're gonna have to remove the shield, and after we can safely remove the other screws, yeah, because we don't want to damage the shield or something. Okay, let's take these screws out, which allows us, you can remove these screws with a screwdriver in minus, in plus, yeah. I even don't know why I put the T25 to remove the shield. Anyways, Let's take this one down. Let's go in the other side. Now I'm gonna take a plus screwdriver to remove the left side. Okay. You just have to turn like this, boom, and that's it out. Yeah, you don't have to unscrew just like a normal screw. Okay, one more, and we are done. Okay, now we have other screws here, yeah? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws with T25. Okay, let's take them down. One, two, three, 4, and 5. 5 here. So boom, it's out. Okay, now we have another 1, 2, 3, 4 screws from the bumper. Let's take them down. Second one, third one, fourth one. Down. After that, yeah, we can put another 2 screws back to don't damage the seal while we moving the car up and down. Okay, this one back. Good. Now we can grab the bumper and pull it nicely out. Boom. Left side here, right side. Okay. Let me see where that work. You can use a minor screwdriver to remove this plug. As you can see here, we have a lock. We have to push the lock out. After, we have to press down the plug and it's gonna come out. Boom. Okay, now let's have a look in the sides. Okay, so in the sides we're gonna have the fog light plugs. We're just gonna have to push them down and pull them out. Boom. As you can see, easy as that. Push them down and pull them out. Boom. Okay, let me have a look here. Okay. Yes, so probably I forgot one screw. That's it. Job done. So this is the way how you remove the front bumper for this Q5 from 2015. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video you're gonna find it helpful for you and for your friends. If you want, you can share it. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want to help me out with the channel, you can go to my website snstuning.co and you can buy some stuff for your own car, or if you're a spray painter, you can buy some tools. This is it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.